Hello guys, so this is a beginner's guide on how you can trade on sports and make profits from sports trading. You can use any exchange of your choice, be it Binance, Bitget, Gate.io, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use Binance as an example, and I'll be buying coins on spot and showing you how you can take profits as a beginner, or if you want to add more knowledge to what you have known before. So one thing about sports trading is that once you buy a coin in sports, no matter the market fluctuation, maybe the price is going higher or coming down, it doesn't affect the volume of what you are holding. So let's say you are buying a coin of like ICP now. You bought 5 ICP internet computer. No matter the fluctuation in the market every day, if you buy just 5 coin, that 5 ICP coin will still be there no matter what is happening in the market once you have bought it on spot trading. So let's go to our trade section here. We click on trade. I click on trade here. I've clicked on trade, so I want to buy a coin here now, and I want to show you how you can take profit from the coin that you are buying. So let's say I want to buy a coin called Sui. Sui, I want to buy Sui, so I will just come here. You can see this place here. You click on this place. I click on it. Then I will just search for the coin I want to buy. I want to buy Sui. That's SUI. SUI coin Sui. Sui slash USDT. Can you see it, guys? Sui slash USDT. I want to buy it. I click on it. I click on it. So this green simply means you want to buy. You can see buy here. The buy icon, it has green color, while the sell icon, it has red color. So I want to buy. I click on buy, and I'm buying at the market price. So presently, the market price of Sui is $3.123. So let's say I want to buy just $10 worth of Sui. So I put the amount I want to buy here. I want to buy just $10 worth of Sui. So then I will click on buy Sui. I will click on buy Sui. So I'm buying this Sui at the price of $3.12. That is how to buy. So either you want to hold it for a long time, maybe for years, or for a year, or for months, or for many months, or for weeks, or for days. This is how you can buy it in spot trading, and you can hold your coin for as long as you wish. All right, so how do you not take profits from spot trading? Because that's actually the essence of free trading. You are trading so that you can make more money, you can make profit from your trade. So let's check this coin. I bought it at sorry, I bought it at $3.123. Now I want to calculate my profit. Let's say I want to make just 20% profit from this coin. So once this coin has added 20% increment to this price, then I want to sell it off. Then mind you, I bought it at $3.123. So let's go to our calculator. So this is our calculator. So I will just say I want to take profit once this coin actually gets to 20% increment. So I will just say 120% divided by 100% times the amount I bought the coin times 3.1235, right? So that is 3.7482. That is to say, when the price of Sui get to 3.7482, that is when I want to take profit. So I will go back to my Binance. So I want to sell when the price gets to 3.7482. Then I will come here, I will click on sell. I want to set my sell order here. I will click on sell. Then you can see market here. You click on this market. I click on the market. Then you click on stop market. you click on stop market. So I click on stop market. Then at here you can see stop here. You type the amount that you want to take the profit. So I want to take the profit at 3.7482. That's when I want to take the profit. Then I'm taking the whole profit of this trade. So I will just draw this arrow here. I will draw it to the extreme end there. I want to take the whole profit once the market hits 3.7482. That's when I'm going to exit this trade. So I will now click on sell SUI. So I'm selling my SUI at 3.7482. I'm selling the whole coins I am holding. So I will click on sell SUI. I will click on sell SUI. So you can see here, if the last price rises to or above 3.7482, an order to sell 3.1 SUI will be placed. So I will just click on confirm. I will click on confirm. So my order has been placed here. You can see the order here now. This is the order. So I'm selling my 3.1 SUI at 3.7482. So once I am selling at this amount and I enter this trade with just $10, that means I'll be making 20% profit from this trade. That is $12 in total. So that is how to take profit on your trading if you are trading on spot. Okay, that's one side. The other side is that, let's say I don't want to incur more than 10% loss on this trade. That is to say, once the price comes down by anything above 10%, I want to exit this trade. So I've tried to calculate my profit I want to take, and in case if the market goes against my prediction, I want to also set my stop loss. So I will just go to my calculator and set it at 10% loss. Mind you, I entered this trade at $3.12350. So let's go to a calculator again. So I'm ready to actually incur nothing less than 10% loss. So I will just say 90% divided by 100 times 3.1235. So that is to say, once the price of this SUI gets to 2.811, I want to exit the trade. That is to say, I want to take my loss and just leave the trade at this price. Then the same way I set my take profit, I also set my stop loss also. So I just come here, I still use the same thing as stop market. Then I will type 2.871 here. Then I want to sell all my SUI once the price gets to 2.871. So I will just drag this. I will drag this thing here. I will drag it. Then I will click on sell SUI. I will click on sell SUI. So I've clicked on it. I've clicked, so the order has been created also. So that is to say, if I want to take profit at $3.7, I'll be making 20% profit. But in case the market goes against my prediction, then I am determined, I have prepared my mind to exit the market at 10% loss. So by that, I've already known what I will be getting in case the market goes towards my direction, and what I am ready to lose in case the market goes against my direction. That is how to trade on spot, how to buy, how to sell, how to set your stop limit, and how to take your profit on spot. You can use this method and hold a coin for months, for weeks, or for years, regardless of the number of months you want to hold your coin. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to also subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button for more of updates like this. I remain your friend, Shina Oladele.